Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to move download to another drive. So I'm just provide two different way. So go to this PC option, open and select download folder. Okay, click on and open again. So open and create new folder. Okay, and open this and you just select that you wanna move. So I'm just select 4 item, just drag here, then successfully transfer. So look here, now successfully transfer. Or the another way, just select, click on to mouse left side, click on cut or copy. I'm just copy and just paste here, then successfully move. So that's it, that's how we can do it.